ang dentista. Hello, Doc Bri.
Hello, Doc G.
Okay, mga mamas and papas, we are discussing things outside just the oral health. As we've said, we'd like to venture in topics that are interesting and at the same time something that we, Doc Brian and I, can discuss and has relevance in our lives. Anyway, on this video, we will be discussing a certain post that discusses the difference between religion versus spirituality. Ayan. And before we go ahead, kumbaga, babasahin ni Docky Bri yung definition ng post, and Docky Bri will say whether he agrees on it or disagree on it, and I will do the same. And before we proceed with that, please do support us and give us a like, subscribe,
Thumbs up, share, and hit that notification bell para lagi kasama sa usapan natin.
ayan, ang susunod.
Religion worships God, spirituality becomes one with God. Ako, Doc, meron ako dito. I think yun nga parang for me kasi parang this defines yung types of religion natin. And then, di ba parang usually pag sa religion, they teach the teachings niya, they teach you what yung ginagawa ng taong yun, ano ba yung mga good points yung ginawa ng Diyos, yan siya. So, religion aims to become like Christ, or to become like God, or yun ba yung parang gawin mo yung ginagawa ni God. Yun yung ibig sabihin na to. While in spirituality, parang si Buddha, di ba? O si Buddhism, di ba? Achieving Zen, achieving a peace of mind, kumbaga being part of the whole, kumbaga parang hindi mo kailangan gayahin ang Diyos, hindi mo kailangan gayahin ang ginagawa niya, pero kailangan mo maging one with everything around you. We need to how to learn to respect everything around you, and that's how you become a God in itself. Kumbaga it's a mouthful.
Yeah.
Medyo broad, pero I hope you're getting my point.
Yeah, pero kasi ito based on the kasi yung religion nga, because as I said, ang definition sa akin ng religion is an organization. So of course, because it is an organization, it becomes a place where you can commune and worship with God among the community that have the same belief as you do. Okay? And that is why it becomes religion. But if we are talking about spirituality, then it means you are united with God, meaning you try to achieve, to follow the will of your God. Alright? So, basically kasi nga, Docky Bri, ang pagkakaintindi kasi natin is that yun nga yung difficulty when you follow the thinking process of Catholic, wherein you have to do good works, diba? Para ma-save ka. How much good work
do I need to do para dumagdag yung points sa lang?
Iyon na nga. Diba? And then, continually, if you make a mistake, and then if you die, and then you did not do confession, you're not saved. Diba? Yun yung difference kasi. That's why yung spirituality, the reason I'm explaining that is because yun nga yung spirituality na binibigay sa'yo ni God sa Bible base. Kasi ang evangelical is talagang the authority is the Bible. Okay? And in the Bible, your salvation is based on His grace. Diba? So, paano yun? Diba? Na makasalanan tayo. Diba? Because He is giving it to you through His grace. He will convict you. Kasi akala nila, when you become a born again Christian, di ba yung sinasabi nila, ang plastic naman ng mga yan, di naman, honestly, whether you're a Catholic or you're an evangelical Christian or a Buddhist or whatever it is that you believe in, and you believe in the goodness, especially sa Christians. Like sa Catholic, ganun din, di ba? Rosaryo ng rosaryo, pero sama naman ng ugali. Because precisely, those are just tradition or rituals na ginagawa. Spirituality is really building a relationship with God. Kumbaga, meron kang personal relationship sa kanya. Para tayong dalawa. We have friendship.
Yeah.
So, if like tomorrow you give me a call, you have a problem, I will listen to you because we have a relationship. Diba? So, ganun din yung spirituality with God. Diba? You have a relationship eh. So, para sa kanya, if you accept me and you are willing to follow my will, I can give you my grace in order for you to be saved. Diba, saan ka naman nakakita ng kaibigan o tatay o... I mean, okay, fine. Hindi lahat ng tatay mabait, ng nanay mabait, pero majority ng magulang o kapatid o kaibigan na talagang tunay yung pagmamahal sa iyo will not allow you to go to hell, diba? Or to be in despair. So, because you have a personal relationship with God, He will make sure that you're going to be okay. Kaya nga, when you really build a relationship with God, meaning, it is not a one-way thing, na hingi ka lang ng hingi. No, because you are going to feel it. Because one, you will really crave reading His words. And that is reading the Bible. Honestly, mga mamas and papas, I don't like reading the Bible before. But now it has a different meaning for me. And I really like reading it because it gives me the strength in order to do His will. The second is, again, prayer. Hindi ibig sabihin na, magpupray ka. I also have difficulty, mga mamas and papas. But now, in the end, you want to talk to Him. Ang prayer naman doesn't necessarily have to be, katulad ng Katolika, yung rosaryo, naglalakad sa... Hindi. Parang relationship siya talaga, nakikipag-usap ka. Sinasabi mo yung totoong feelings mo. And that is spirituality. And the third thing is the conviction to desire to follow Him. Diba? Yung ganon. Yung, paano ka magiging totoong, Christian kung hindi mo ginagawa? I mean, wala kang desire.
Ako, Doktora,
to follow.
you can say that religion is like yung theoretical,
Oo.
and spirituality is like yung practical.
Correct.
So, what you learn from the religion, you
Ano ba
apply.
nga yan? Mag-boyfriend. Mag-boyfriend tayo. Sinabi mo sa akin, Gina, uurat ako sa... Ayoko ng... Halimbawa, ano ba ayaw mo sa bahay ko? Yung pinaka-pet peeve mo na ayaw mo talaga na uukray ka.
Ano ba? Masakit pagsalita.
Yun. Halimbawa, sinabi mo,
Yung...
wag kang... ayoko yung habit mo na masakit magsalita. Diba? Kung mahal kita, i-avoid ko yun. Diba? I mean, okay, let's say lang na mahilig talaga ako sa... gano'n. Habit ko. Pero, sinabi mo na na-hurt mo ako, dahil masakit ka magsalita. So, mangyayari, I will try my very best to lessen it. Diba? So, paano ka nagkaroon ng relasyon kay God kung ayaw mong bawasan yung ayaw niya? And diba? Tapos, diba ikaw, tutulungan mo rin ako. Ganon din, parang ganyan si God eh. Bawa, ayaw mo magsalita. So, don't give me a reason para magsalita ako sa iyo ng hindi maganda na ayaw mo. Diba? So, ganun din gagawin ni God. Tutulungan ka niya, kung hindi mo kaya, He will really provide you His strength. Hindi. Sabi sa'yo, it's really not you when you truly believe, yan, yung spirituality with God, okay? It is not about you. It's Him. Yun na yun. Because He already provided you the things that you need to do. Yan. Yan yung, dyan pumapasok yung religion. Yan. Next, last
okay. Religion is like being stuck in a fishbowl with only limiting things to do, explore. While spirituality is like having the entire ocean to explore without limits.
Yan. Anong opinion mo dyan doon?
I think, Dok, marami pinagkaiba sa unang statement kanina na regarding sa inclusivity ng spirituality and exclusivity ng religion. There's some parts of true and some parts of false, pero kasi if you're gonna look at it on a bigger picture, lahat naman tayo all boils down na we just want to do good to others and to ourselves. diba? Hindi man kumbaga kasi yun nga sinasabi ko kanina parang iba-iba man yung definition natin. Kumbaga parang alam mo yung photo na sa floor may dalawang tao nakatingin na sabi ng isang guy, I think it's number 6. Sabi ng kabilang guy, I think it's number 9. Pero actually, kasi yun yung point of view lang nila. Pero kung iisipin, parehas lang naman sinasabi, we just want to do good for everybody, for ourselves, for nature, for ano man, para sa lahat.
Okay. Sa akin kasi, in a way, I agree on that. Kasi, there are things na sometimes, religion becomes legalistic. Alam mo yan? Yung parang, they're more focused on the laws, what you cannot do. Tapos, alam mo yun, para bang katulad nga yun, precisely kay Jesus Christ, Sabbath day, bakit ka mag-heal? Alam mo yun, di ba supposedly, religion will be able to enhance your life. Religion must be able to allow you to be more empathetic and understanding to others. And yet, kaya nga marami nang ayaw ng religion kasi nga, ang nangyayari dun sa pinapaniwalaan nila, nagiging judgmental sila.
Pero parang naging limited sila sa thinking.
Yun na, precisely.
Yun lang yung sinasabi nung...
Correct.
So, hindi na siya
judgmental.
parang angkop-angkop sa panahon ngayon. Ano ba yun?
Hindi nga, kaya nga kasi, there are things, mga mamaps and papaps, that you cannot compromise. Ako, as a Christian, I believe that there are things you cannot compromise in terms of things that you really have to do if you follow Christ, di ba? But, it doesn't mean na every little thing na lang, para bang, what? Bakit yung nararamdaman yun? Ay, you cannot ask this question. Ay, you cannot, and instead of having joy, yan, yung spirituality nga, to be able to explore how far you can go in what you believe in, di ba? Ang nangyayari, you feel suffocated, di ba? Halimbawa, katulad ng issue, for example lang, abortion, okay? So, ang ending, whether religion or spirituality, I will be against it. Nung dati kasi before kasi, my exception in that area is that if the girl got raped, okay, or if the baby or the fetus has certain deformity. Because as a person with disability, I know how hard it is to live in this world when you are not normal. Kumbaga, you have certain disability or physical or mental challenge, and it is not only the challenge on the child itself, but also on the people, especially the mother or the parents who will take care of the child. Na sometimes the responsibility of the baby or the child who has disability will lie even on the hands of the brother or the sister when the parents are gone. So it's really the impracticality before. And that is coming from the heart of a person who really wants to have a baby. Okay, na God did not bless me with one. And for me to really agree on that area for those two exceptions is very difficult already. Now, however, when I became a Christian, hindi na talaga pwede kahit ano. Walang nang, kumbaga, yun yung sinasabi na nagiging limited. Kasi nga, at the end of the day, you begin to understand that if you believe in God, whether it is not the fault of the child that you got pregnant because you are raped. And if the child is deformed, then if you really believe in God, then you know that God will provide. Ang daming, I even watch one, yung kay Karen Davila na, yun. So, yun yung nagbago sa akin. And that is the difference of when yung religion. Now, sa spirituality, yun na nga, it allows you to, halimbawa, from, nung Catholic ako, ganun ang thinking ko. Nung Christian ako, kumbaga, because of your personal experiences with the Lord, you now to explore up to what level you really want to settle in terms of things, gano'n.
I think, Dr. kasi, if I can add to that, is, yun nga, Dr. parang sa spirituality kasi, we focus on, yun nga, yung peace of mind natin. Kaya kasi kung yari, galing nga sa religion, they have certain laws, certain rules na kumbaga bawal i-break. Pero kasi kung may mga bagay tayo as human na kailangan natin gawin, kailangan natin yung gawin na para masabi, okay ako. Kasi minsan, di ba, may mga bagay na nangyayari sa atin na hindi na natin na, kung na-rape ka, ganyan. So, wala kang choice talaga. If it does not give you peace of mind, bakit mo kailangan ituloy isang bagay? If it destroys you from the inside, ending up doing worse things, bakit mo kailangan tuloy? Like, for example, sa divorce, ganyan. Bakit mo kailangan mag-stay kung alam mo namang aabot ka sa point ng buhay mo na sinisira niya na yung buhay mo?
Kaya nga babase nga kasi yung
for me,
spirituality mo sa faith mo, sa relationship mo sa kanya. Kasi kung ang relationship mo sa kanya, halimbawa, tatanggalin natin yung issue ng religion na. Halimbawa, yung faith mo sa kanya is that He will understand your decision. And yun na nga. Kaya lang nga, may mga basic kasi talaga na. Kasi sa spirituality, bumabase rin kasi siya sa something. Kahit tanggalin mo yung religion eh. And then, again, halimbawa, sa Muslim, Torah, di ba? Sa Buddhism, yung principles niya. May pinanggagalingan eh. Sa atin, the Bible. So, whether religion or spirituality, at the end of the day, you are basing any decisions you make in life on something. So, if that is against yung kung saan mo siya binibase, then ang ending is you will not be able to do it.
Kaya, diba,
even without religion.
Tingnan mo, parang may same-sex relationships din. Sobrang big against yan sa mga religion. Pero kasi, di ba, at the end of the day, di ba, parang kahit naman si Pope, he himself recognized na okay lang naman na magmahal ng same-sex. Because it's still love eh. It's still a good thing that love wins. Alam mo, Doc, ano yan na-misinterpret daw si Pope dyan. Hindi totoo yan. Ayan nga yan. Oo. Panoorin mo yung ano yun? Basta may mga, there was a discussion dyan. Then, okay. So, against
that mean, well, yung sexuality mo as a person, like, yeah, kasi talagang dalawa lang yan, male and female. However, if emotionally, you feel like you are girl, but you want to be a boy, okay? And it's more on sexual preference eh. Nakuha mo? Okay? So, sexual preference yan eh. Now, whether you're heterosexual or homosexual, okay, if you practice sex outside marriage, then you are immoral. You are doing something immoral. But if you are just a homosexual, but you're not practicing sex at all, you're just gay, diba? Then that is okay, diba? Kaya lang yun nga, depende kasi sa kung ano yung pinapractice mo. Let's just say, yan, dyan ay pupunta yung transgender. Masyado na complicated yung mga mamas and papas.
It's more about to be identified uniquely as an individual.
Alam mo, Doc.
Gusto mo na mag-represent ka as a person.
Alam mo, Doc, yan nga yan. Whether spirituality or religion, at the end of the day, depending on where you are basing your moral principles, then it will tell you whether what you are doing is moral or not. Diba? Kasi kahit na sabi mo spiritual, yes, you can explore a lot of things, but you are basing your spirituality on something. Diba? So, that will define whether what you are doing is right for you. Diba? Kasi if you are not basing it into anything and you're just basing it emotionally, then I am telling you, mga mamaps and papaps, kayo naniniwala dahil lahat na nangyayari na palpak sa mundo is because we always believe totally and run through emotion. Kaya nga, diba sa social media dami, think before you click. Diba kasi nga, ang ending, naglaran muna yung emotion tsaka bago nag-iisip. Oo, masinungaling ang damdamin. Kaya,
Malakas ang puso.
ayun. So, basically, yan ang difference talaga ng religion. And in all honesty, mga mamaps and papaps, I would rather really be known as a spiritual person than a religious person. Yan. Kasi my importance is really my relationship with God. And I you know, yes, we would like to have a spiritual family. We would like to have somebody we can rely on in order to guide us and strengthen us as we go along and follow whatever you believe in. But at the end of the day, my relationship with God personally is the most important thing, rather than having a specific religion or whatever. And it is basically based on the Bible.
Ako rin, Doktora, I want to be identified as spiritual than religious.
Oo.
So para sa akin, if I myself is hindi okay spiritually, kung bakit pa ako pupunta sa religion para lang, alam mo yun, guluhin pa. Hindi gets mo ba?
Hindi,
It starts
sometimes
with you.
kasi
It starts
yes.
with yourself eh.
Correct.
Kung ikaw mismo sa loob-loob mo, hindi mo pumamaayos yung sarili mo. I think, yun muna eh, kailangan mo i-cultivate yung sarili mo eh. Kasi di ba, in religion, you share din naman your thoughts, your emotions, and all that. And you just base it kung yung tinuturo na. Pero kung ikaw mismo, hindi ka pa totally healed in a way. And I think, yes, kailangan mo yung guidance ni God, and you can yan. Pero kailangan kasi at the end of the day, it always begins inside you.
Do, yan yun precisely why I ended up where I ended up. Because it started within me. Got nothing to do with the religion. Kasi kung ang bunga sa akin religion agad, I don't think I will be where I am.
I think parang feeling ko pag nauna yung religion bago spirituality, parang maging one-sided lang. Diba? Parang gusto mo lang pumunta ng simbahan kasi gusto mo maging papunta sa heaven.
Correct.
Pero hindi mo siya tingin na parang gusto mo pumunta ng simbahan kasi I really wanna hear yung words ng God or yung spirit. So, ma-enrich yung wisdom ko or makakuha na idea kung ano ba sinasabi or definition nila on how they see things. Diba? Yun ang tingin ko doon.
Basta mga mamaps and papaps, it's very simple. You have to believe in someone na, you know, something to have a faith in. Even atheists has a belief of non-belief. And if you're going to believe in something, I think you will not go wrong in believing in God. Yan yung personal opinion ko. And last words, Doc, before we say goodbye.
Yun lang naman.
Okay. Bye, mga mamas and papas!